David, Assistant Team Manager.
Starting units for both squads, Val City will begin with Rev Diputado, JJ Hesalem, RV Bringas, the former One Bataan Riser, and the two Kobe's, Monje and Pableo. For Bataan naman, the backcourt of Alfred Flores and Dom Vera. Up front is JL Capulong, Mitchell Maynes, and Carl Bringas. Our referees for this ball game are Alan Manzano, Zev Pingol, and Chester David. Fourth referee is Zen Mananzala. Val City in white, Bataan in their navy blue jerseys. And we are underway here. Bataan gets first possession of this ball game. Alfred Flores will check up a free, immediately knocking that one down to the delight of this Orion crowd.
Oh, what a way to start off this game. Si Flores. Wala, home court eh. Pag home court talaga.
Nakawala si Rev Diputado. Able to lay it up and in with his left hand. Bataan.
This is a good matchup here in JL Capulong and Bringas. Expect na grabing banggaan yung dalawang yan sa poste mamaya.
Alam mo, tawag ko sa ganyan, El Aparador matchup. Ang bumangga, di ba? Ito na si RD Bringas, susugod. Sobra yung kanyang layup.
Good defense there by Capulong.
Mitchell Maynes. Oh, was that a tip in from JL Capulong?
That was like a tip and dunk right there by JL Capulong. Realizing na hindi bumaba si RV Bringas. Kaya wala nakapag-box out sa kanya.
Ball stolen away by Dom Vera. Mitchell Maynes in stride. A Pinoy step. Kaya lang masyado na siyang malalim dun. Diputado creating some space. Mid-range jumper is good.
That's 4 early points there by Rev Diputado. Showing off different ways that he can score.
The Dumaguete native showing us his stuff here. Rev Diputado. Mitchell Maynes whips a pass to Flores. Isolated against Rev Diputado. 4 seconds left. Diputado picks his pocket. Diputado pinasa palabas kay Salem. Balik kay Diputado.
That's their shooter.
JJ, no. JL, siya magbababa dito. Carl Bringas will pull it back out to Alfred Flores. Mitchell Maynes. This is a fun matchup between him and Kobe Monje.
Similar play styles. Tall wings.
Kabandang tira, gagana yan para kay Dom Vera. 7-4.
There you go, that's the post, one-on-one.
Bringas against Capulong. Drag his pivot foot, it's a traveling violation.
Early on, Capulong winning the matchups here. Both possessions getting a stop on Bringas.
Bataan ahead here, 7-4. Flores ang magtitimon para sa Risers. Dom Vera up top. Mitchell Maynes off the bounce. In front of him, Kobe Monje. Bringas, sasaksak. Pasa palabas kay Flores. 5 seconds left on their shot clock. Carl Bringas buries a free from the right corner. 10-4 lead for Bataan. Pableo, dire-diretso. At nakasukit ng foul laban sa Bataan. And 2 shots coming up for Kobe Pableo. 3-point shot brought to you by Extreme, your one-stop shop appliances.
Beautiful decision there by Bringas, opting to fill in that corner spot, realizing that there was no defense available and sinking that free corner three-pointer.
Val City playing today without their top scorer and top playmaker in Jan Formento. So very interesting how that shakes things up here.
And that's a big loss for them. Obviously, Jan Formento, their biggest scorer, scoring 29 points too last game. So halos parang 30 points silang dalawa ni Kobe Monje in their win against Manila.
I mean, how impressive has his season been here for Val City as Alfred Flores knocks down his second three-pointer of the ball game. Early 6 points for the former ICC Blue Hawk. Formento, once played for Bataan,
Yeah.
but really found his stride here with Val City as the main orchestrator for their offense. As we see here, Flores making Diputado Bay by going under the screen,
Yeah, you
knocking down the three.
can't go under that, especially if he's made his first shot.
Michel Maine susubok din sa tres. It will roll out. RV Bringas grabs the rebound.
Ooh.
Dangerous pass. Diputado got it. Pableo. Monje on the left corner. Kobe Monje.
Traveling.
Well traveled, yeah.
Yeah, that's a beautiful move there by Minus to pull the chair on Monje, especially on that spin move.
Yeah, too many steps. Coach Raymond Valenzuela. 8 ang lamang ng Bataan dito. 13-5. Vera leaning in. Gets that one-hander to go.
That's that second floater for Vera. 2 for 2. 4 points to start this ball game.
He's been up and down for Dom Vera. He's had some games where seemingly the rim is too big for him, knocking down those threes. And then there are other times na nanlalamig yung kanyang opensa. But he'll be an important piece moving forward, especially if he could free himself up for
There you
these
go.
threes.
Well, once he makes his first shots, he's going to have that type of ball game, Ken.
Dom Vera, former Pampanga Giant Lantern, has 7 early points. See
There you
here.
go. Off the pick and roll, realizing na nakababa yung defense ni Bringas there, opting for a float. They're not forcing anything. And here, good pass. Free Vera on the corner for a three-pointer. That was a 7th point of the game.
13 na ang lamang ng Bataan. We have a timeout for Val City. Once an assistant coach for Pasig with Coach Boyd Fernandez there. And now he's facing off against his former team. And that's a knockout match
Yeah.
for a chance for themselves to extend their season.
And I like what Coach Augie mentioned there, that they're really focusing on defense, especially with a team like Pasig. There you go. That's the matchup of the game there.
Parang pinagpag pa ni RV Bringas yung depensa doon ni JL Capulong at ni Carl Bringas.
Yeah, that's what we expect from RV Bringas there.
The Orani Bataan native RV Bringas played most of his seasons here with Bataan. Sablay nga lang yung kanyang free throw. 20-7 is our score past the halfway point of the first quarter. Flores kick out to Carl Bringas.
Oh, there you
Empty
go.
pass
Good
intended
defense
to
there.
JL Capulong na wala ang bola sa panig ng Bataan. Kobe Monje sa loob. Nakasungkit ng foul. And Monje will troop to the line for 2 shots.
Kobe Monje is actually a batchmate of mine in the junior NBA. Batch 2014 kami na ni Kobe Monje. And I remember when I was covering with
JR, the official outfitter of the MPBL, yes?
when I was covering with Javi, I mentioned the batchmates of mine na nagtuloy na ng basketball, and I forgot to mention Kobe at that moment. But yeah, Kobe Monje, another batchmate of mine in that junior NBA 2014 class. I'm happy to see him, a draft pick as well.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
sino ba kayo doon?
Mga batchmate ko yung mga notable, si SJ Bilangel,
Okay.
Kobe Monje, Ryan Amsali.
Okay.
So yeah, I was mentioning nga na ang batch namin wala masyado nagtuloy sa basketball. Yeah, I forgot to mention Kobe there. So yeah, Kobe, sorry, but yeah, he was one of that notable players from that junior NBA batch.
I'm sure you won't mind, especially how well he's been playing lately para dito sa Val City. I mean, I've always was interested at how he would pan out because he's got a size really good. You see here, getting the block, but Carl Bringas able to stick with it and getting 2 points.
Yeah, and Kobe Monje is one of those players that started off as a big man but had to adjust that into a wing role when he got older. So yeah, it's the same for the both of us, and I'm happy to see that he's actually flourishing in his new role as a 3 guard.
Kasi very versatile eh. Could play 3 or 4 or even the 2.
Yeah, he's very athletic. As you see here with a good block there, pin it on the board.
But we like the perseverance there shown by Carl Bringas.
Yeah, not giving up on the play there.
Robbie Darang will pull the trigger off the heel on that shot. Kenneth Castillo grabbing the rebound. Now it's with Brian Lacap. 13-point lead for the One Bataan Risers. Lacap to Castillo. Hanap ng papasahan na ibigay niya ay Kobe Mone laban kay Dante Baguio. Kobe Mone just blowing past the defense of Dante Baguio and able to lay it up and in.
Yeah, it's 4 points already for Monje, opting to attack that left side but finishing on the right side there. Got a good move there by Kobe Monje.
22-11, Dante Baguio gives it up to Robbie Darang. Tom Vera still on the floor, lone starter.
That's a foul.
Still remaining here as he got fouled by Brian Lacap. This is Kobe Mone just able to get past Dante Baguio.
And that's his advantage there, being a tall guard that's quick for his position, opting to blow by a smaller defenders or slower defenders rather.
Sazon. Bounce pass to Chris Xavier. Vento, pinasa kay Dante Baguio, who will knock down that three-pointer.
Yeah, the crowd loves that three-pointer by Baguio there.
25-11. Dahil nga tubong Bataan din yan, si Dante Baguio. 5 out of 7 from beyond the arc itong One Bataan Risers. Brian Lacap lines it up. Can't get that one to fall. Sazon's turn to try a free. It's good!
What a hot start here by the Bataan Risers, especially from three-point country.
Much like what they did in that last game against the Bacolod Tubo Slashers. Kobe Mone really likes that matchup against Dante Baguio. Kicks it out though to Rev Diputado. Diputado sa loob, naipasa kay Ken Castillo. Knocks down that mid-range. 28-13. Under 2 minutes left here in the first quarter. Baguio may tangan ng bola. Vento, nasa bantang taas, binigay kay Robbie Darang. Sazon puts it on the deck. Up fake. Able to get Brian Lacap up in the air and able to score.
That's what you love about Yves Sazon's game.
So smooth.
So smooth. You see that pump fake over there. Really got Lacap off of his feet there. The ball fake. An easy mid-range jumper by Yves Sazon.
Lacap wants to go to the post. RV Bringas forcing it up. No whistle. Sazon will pull up for 3. This na muna.
He's hot. Similar, he's doing something similar to what El Granado was doing, looking at his hands.
33-13. Time winding down in the first quarter. Bola nakuha ni Dante Baguio.
Ooh. Bad miss there by Javier on an easy layup.
Val City a chance here to close out the first quarter. About a 4-second differential between shot and game clock. Diputado. In front of him, Robbie Darang. Lacap off the bounce. Hops into the lane. But he will be called with a traveling violation.
That's a travel. The same foot there, landing. Good call there by the referee. You know, Ken, dati yung galaw na yun, pwede
nga eh. Binago nila eh.
Oo, binago lang nila yung rule na yun eh. Isa yun sa mga moves talaga na gusto kong ginagawa dati eh.
Robbie Darang, just before the buzzer, able to get that floater up and in. And what a resounding start. City, 35-13. in the
Granada
house.
there.
And nagpapabati siya, no? Happy birthday, 9th birthday to Santino Rivera from Dada. Ayan. Of course, shout out to his daughter, si Max. And talagang si El Granada, dami nating memories dyan.
Grabe.
Trey.
Grabe. Di lang sa Powerade nun, pati sa Gilas.
Yeah.
Grabe, one of my favorite players talaga growing up. Naalala ko nung bata pa ako, dinadala pa ako ni dad sa practices ng Powerade nun. Tapos pinapanood ko lang mag-shooting si El Granada, Gary David. Talagang hindi nagmiminti sa practice si Gary David nun.
Yeah.
Grabe talaga.
Saan naalala ko nung game sa Kazakhstan, siya yung pumutok dun eh.
Siya din, par 20 plus points din siya
Yeah.
nun.
In that game where it was the quarterfinals. Svento got blocked by Makabayog.
A good rotation there by Makabayog.
35-13. RV Bringas getting some heavy minutes here for Bataan.
Yeah, I think that's due to also the lack of personnel that Val City has.
Yeah, in fact, he hasn't rested yet as Brian Lakap connects on that three-pointer. 35-16. Robbie Darang with Dante Pagyo, Ives Sazon, Jared Vento, and Chris Xavier. Floater is up and in for Robbie Darang.
The offhand floater there by Robbie Darang. Realizing that there was a defender on his left side, opting to use his right hand for his floater there.
37-16. 21-point lead for the One Bataan Risers. Brian Lakap. Got blocked by Dante Pagyo.
Yeah, good decision there by Pagyo, staying on the floor, not falling for the fakes by Lakap there, and getting that.
Baseline inbound, 6 seconds left, a shot clock ng Val City. Bringa, susubok sa tres. Mintis. Rebound, nakuha ni Vesason. Tatakbo na naman dito ang Bataan. Dante Pagyo. Counted, plus the foul.
A way to leak there by Pagyo. Also, good eyes there by Robbie Darang, realizing his wing player running the floor.
Fast Break the Game is brought to you by Extreme X Pop, personal karaoke speaker every day. Karaoke.
Tingin ko ginamit pa talaga niya yung right hand niya para makakuha ng foul eh.
Oh. Dante Pagyo. Ano yung chance sa kanya?
Pogi.
Pogi.
Pogi yung chance.
Dante Pogi. Parang ito.
Definitely a crowd favorite here.
Oo naman. Proud bataan nyo yan eh. Si Dante Pagyo. Maging si RV Bringas din.
Yeah.
Ngayon, magkatunggali sila ni Chris Xavier. Lumayo si Chris. At yung rebound, pinag-agawaan, nakuha ni Brian Lakap. Hindi lang niya may lulusot paloob, pero may foul na tinawag laban sa Bataan. So, 2 free throws coming up for Brian Lakap. Itong free throw na ito, din sa atin ng Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Lakap's free throw, the first one is good. Just want to give a quick shout out to Coach F and his lovely wife, Mom Hershey, who is watching right now, I believe. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Ewan ko, nasa sila, baka nasa Kainta din. Malakas ang ulan ngayon. At naagaw ng Val City ang bola dito. Mikey Makabalyog to Castillo. Lock up, thought about that long free. Gabawan is now in for the One Bataan Risers.
I want to see Lakap defend Robbie Darang and vice versa. I believe they have the similar play styles, both lefties that like contact, like using their floaters. So it's probably a matchup I want to see in this game.
20 puntos ang labang ng Bataan, 40-18 over Val City.
Yeah, Val City switching up their defense there, opting for a 2-3 zone.
3 minutes gone by. Will that shot count?
And I don't get that decision there by Val City, especially how hot Bataan is from three-point country. I don't know why would they want to use a 2-3 zone.
And referees will review this one because the foul was away from the basketball, and titignan din nila kung counted ba dapat yung naging 3-point conversion sana ni Yves Sazon.
I think it should count.
So Vento,
There you go.
Bringas jockeying for position.
Yeah, Sazon was able to let go of that ball before the referee hit that whistle.
Double block ka dahil si Bringas pa yung tinawagan ng foul dun. So babalik ang possession sa panig ng Bataan.
Yeah.
43-18. They will trigger it in from the baseline. Robbie Darang. I mean, it's really nice if you're Bataan. You're playing your last 3 games at this very same building, and you get that familiarity and chemistry in as they gear up for that matchup, a knockout match in the play-in against Pasig City.
Yeah, and it's very advantageous for them, especially in playing in front of their home crowd for their last remaining games. Siyempre, makakatulong talaga yung crowd nila para sa pagpapataas ng kumpiyansa ng team na to. So I think it's very advantageous going into the play-in against Pasig here.
Certainly, Pasig City, no pushovers. In fact, they beat them. I remember that game. It went into overtime. And Chito Jaime hit that free from the left corner that pretty much gave Pasig some cushion there in OT. And they were able to hold on for that victory. As Yves Sazon lines it up, Mintis. Bobby Pableo ngayon may bola para sa Val City. Acabo lines it up and knocks down that 3.
That's a good-looking form there too. Parang disiplinado, diretso lang, ganda rin ng backspin.
Yeah. Zona pa rin para dito sa Val City. 43-21. Offensive foul will be whistled against Jared Vento. 3-point shot brought to you by Extreme, your one-stop shop appliances.
Yeah, that's probably 2 to 3 steps also behind the 3-point line. Kaya ganda rin nito ng range.
Tutoy Ramirez, Hubert Cani now in. So Bataan going deep to their bench. Bobby Pableo. Supply yung kanyang tres. Cani with the rebound. Dante Pagyo, walang alinlangan. Iluluwa lang palabas.
Ah, he's feeling it.
Uy,
Ooh.
almost. Acabo, binabantayan ni Tutoy Ramirez. Acabo floats it up,
And
puts
one.
it in, plus the foul.
A way to be aggressive there by Acabo. Shooting that 3-pointer possession before, now up, attack that, getting a foul for a different type of 3-point play.
And Acabo, a chance for a 3-point play. Arjo Acabo played in St. Vincent High School. And well, getting some minutes here para dito sa Val City. Only 24 years old si Arjo Acabo.
Not very young. A lot more years left in the tank here, especially if he keeps playing this way.
And meron tayong foul laban sa Val City. Gonna go against Kobe Pableo. Halfway point of the second quarter. Joel Capulong will replace Jamil Gabawan. Cani will trigger it in to Tutoy Ramirez. His 3-point shot won't work. Rebound Dante Pagyo. Tutoy to Pagyo. Baseline drive. The layup no good. At bola mananatili sa Bataan. Fresh 14 on their shot clock. Hubert Cani puts in that three.
There you go, Hubert Cani joining the three-point club of this game. 3 points for his first shot of the game. 1 for 1 for Hubert Cani.
Usually, Bataan, if they're hitting their threes and able to share the basketball,
It's very hard to beat them, Ken.
yeah, oo.
Especially if that three ball is falling. There you go.
A crowd favorite coming in as you see that three by Hubert Cani.
There you go. High flyer in Yambing.
I mean, because of the highlights, he has dished out here. Talagang na-endear na yung
Yeah.
fans ng Orion sa kanya dito.
Pati sa warm-up pa lang, every time na dadakdak tong si Yambing, humihiyaw na talaga yung crowd dito sa Bataan eh.
Nice outlet. Hubert Cani lays it up and in.
5 quick points there by Hubert Cani. Isa pa tong grabing scorer si Hubert Cani, lalo ng mga earlier days na nung
High school, no?
high school. Grabe si Hubert Cani nun.
And somehow, he has really found a home here with Bataan in terms of him getting his confidence
Yeah.
back and recognizing that he is one of the key cogs moving forward if they want to go deep or even make the playoffs altogether. Fast break of the game brought to you by Extreme X Play. I'm gonna go speaker. Take your music anywhere.
Grabe si Hubert Cani. I remember also sa PBA 3x3, he was with Blackwater. Laging kami ang magkadepensahan pag nagkakatapat yung teams namin nun. And every time na aasahan mo na, every time na pagbababa yung shot clock, bibigay mo na kay Cani in isolation. And it's one of his... Ooh.
Oh, it's a bad miss.
What a
Line.
miss there.
48-24. Yambing to
Nakasona
Ramirez.
pa rin. Yeah,
Carl Bringas will oblige. Can't hit the three, however.
Val City is lucky that Bataan is missing a lot of their threes now. With that zone defense, talagang daming libreng 3-point shots dyan.
Now, if you're Bataan, you want to build your habits as you prepare for that upcoming match against Pasig.
Oh, ankle
Ramirez
breaker.
blew out a tire, and RV Bringas was able to score off that nice feed from JJ Jesalem.
Yeah, JJ Jesalem, not really known for that type of his game, more of a catch-and-shoot shooter, but obviously he has a lot to his game as he's shown. The ankle breaker and a good pass there to Bringas. Easy basket.
Si Jesalem kasi walang bad shot dyan eh.
Wow.
The green light is always on
Yep.
with JJ Jesalem.
Well, he's a shooter that can get hot quick.
Panggaan na naman. Pero pinasa ni Bringas, papunta kay Mone, wala. Tutoy Ramirez with a rebound. Hubert Cani. Skip pass, Ramirez.
Good passing.
You love how Ramirez did not force up that shot.
That is beautiful basketball there. He could have taken that shot. He was wide open as well with a late closeout from his defender, but still opting to pass that to the short corner.
Gixxer fan of the game, born for greatness. Happy to have you with us here on a Wednesday evening dito po sa Kamalig in Orion, Bataan. By the way, just a quick shout out, happy birthday to Hoop Junkie, Pat Edroso, and also the one-armed Mamba, Kat Tan. Magka-birthday yung dalawang yan.
Blind double here by Bataan.
And, what do you like about what you're seeing with the One Bataan Risers so far, Dave?
Obviously, they've been, kagaya na sabi ni Coach Ogie kanina sa interview niya, parang kita-kita mo talaga na Bataan City focusing on their defense. Halatang talagang pinaghahandaan nilang yung Pasig. So, yung defensive intensity talaga yung talaga nakikita kong maganda para sa Bataan.
I think the attention to detail is what you like if you're Bataan. Also credit there, Coach John Flores, who's always tirelessly working on their defensive schemes.
Yeah.
On how to defend those pick and roll situations, yung sets na nire-run ng kalaban, the way they scout their opponents. As RV Bringas now against JL Capulong. And remember, I think during that time wala pa si Coach John when they faced off against Pasig. And that's something that could come in handy here
Yeah.
for Bataan.
That's definitely a huge difference.
Preparing for that game. Coach John, if you remember, was part of the coaching staff of the late Coach Ricky Dandan back in season, I believe 5 if I'm not mistaken. Kobe Monhe at the line. Val City shooting more free throws. 7 out of 11. Bataan just 1 out of 1. Although they've been clicking on all cylinders, especially hitting those frees. Monhe, 2 for 2.
6 points there by Monhe.
Tutoy Ramirez checks out. Papasok sa loob si Robbie Darang. Lead down to 20. 50-30. Oh, high in the sky play.
I thought that was going to be a slam, Ken.
High in the sky between Darang and
Medyo
William Bing.
mababa lang yung pasa. Pero kung tinaas na yun, for sure, alley-oop dunk yun.
52-30. Bringas, pinasa palabas. Oh, pa-play with a long 3-point shot. It will bounce out. Something Bataan is willing to give up. Yambing to Carl Bringas, drives baseline. And off a pass, a foul will be whistled against Val City. Ganda ng setup dito.
Medyo mababa lang. Sayang.
So kung mataas, slam dunk.
Slam
tingin mo?
dunk yun, sigurado. Kinailangan pa ibaba ni Yambing yung kamay niya para saluin yung bola eh.
Pupukol si Yambing galing sa 3. That one will just roll out. 16 seconds left in the second quarter. Val City behind by 22 points. Diputado whips a pass to Pableo. Bringas.
Wow.
Standing his ground. Yambing able to challenge that shot. And the first half comes to a close. Bataan looking sharp in favor of the One Bataan Risers. 30 in favor of the One Bataan Risers.